Niti lays out pandemic plans to take like Outbreak. New Delhi. The Niti Aayog has proposed a new Public Health Emergency Management Act setting up a special pandemic and emergency responses funds and an institutionalization empowered governance mechanism to tackle like public health emergency in the future. The recommendations are part of the Pandemic and Emergency Response PPER framework proposed by an expert group up for the purpose after the pandemic. The idea is to put in place an emergency response which being action on day 0 and gives the required results to have disease prevention, mitigation and control in place within 100 days of outbreak. The expert group headed by Renu Swarov, former Secretary Department of Biotechnology, also included Soumya, former Chief Scientist World Health Organization, and Sujit Singh, former Director of the National Center for Disease Control, as a member of Rajiv Kumar, Senior Advisor Health, Niti Aayog as a member secretary. The report said, learning from the experience of pandemic, the expert have realized the responding in the first 100 days of an outbreak in the effective management.